Hello everyone. If you have already had the ads.txt file inside your files manager and you still see this message, I found a solution on how to fix it. Okay. So as you can see here now, it says authorized. So before it was saying no found, even though I have added the ads.txt file on my website. So let's do this. You go to website. When you are home, you come to site and then you click your website. Okay. On your side, you might see this not detected. You have to click on check for update. As you can see here, the last crawl was on 26 and today is 26. So if I check, see, good news, we found your publisher ID. Okay. So in case if you have already uploaded the ads.txt file, but you still got that message, you need to update it manually. Okay, you need to ask Google AdSense to crawl it again. Okay, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.